It's broken, you can just go in. Yeah. Well, lucky the car park. Ticket machine's broken, so I got free parking at the hospital, yeah! So this appointment wasn't even what I thought it was going to be. They're just having another look at my shoulder, and now they've booked me an MRI scan. Yeah, I don't understand what's going on, to be honest. So it looks like there's more waiting to do, which is annoying because I thought it was going to be all sorted now, and I suppose I was very naive. Anyway, I'm going to head back up to Lancashire and get some editing done. Mendiga.
Don't smile when you...
Oh, girl.
Oh, it's quite one.
Which one is what? That's the black and white. No, they were not the rules.
Let's choose it.
How's it going, guys? Today I'm going back to Wales again, northwest on the coast, Aberdovey sort of area. Surprise birthday party for Alec, who you might have seen his van tour that I met in Montenegro and then spent the winter in the Alps with. So, back to Wales. So Alec obviously doesn't know we're coming, and last time we saw him was in Morzine in France like a few months ago. He's going to be like, what the fuck?
Alright, mate.
Right, we found Alec. See how surprising it'll be.
You're really confident.
Oh, first night. Oh, you're all
What the hell?
Hiya, mate.
Sneaky fucker. Alright.
Yeah, how you doing? We found a nice piece of grass to park on for the night while we had some fun in the water and later on hit the pub. Boat time. What's up, guys? How's it going? It's a beautiful day here in somewhere by Aberdovey. So after Alec's birthday party, I've basically just been hanging around and chilling out with these guys. Barbecues and that. And today I'm gonna go kite surfing after so long. It's windy. Got about 10 minutes of kite surfing and wind dropped. It was shit. But there's always wakeboarding.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. What you do? Don't let it go. chasing a dream. What you do, don't go chasing a dream. What you do.
There's meant to be an awesome mountain bike trail around here, so me and Poe are off to check it out today. It's been a while since I've had this bike out, so I reckon I'm gonna have to pump up the tyres, maybe even the suspension too, because it might be a little bit heavier than when I last went on it. Let's go. Vale. Go.
All good? Yeah? Oh, pony.
What a ride, guys. Knackered. Have you ever seen Poe like that?
Poe?
Yeah, guys, I think that's my energy for the whole week, actually. All gone. This was the end of my time in North Wales, so I head to Lancashire, ready to head off to Spain. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.